A kingdom on the move. Riyadh's metro revolution. Riyadh, the bustling capital of Saudi Arabia, is undergoing a transformation. The city is evolving at a rapid pace, embracing modernity while preserving its rich cultural heritage. At the heart of this change is a marvel of modern engineering, the Riyadh Metro. This state-of-the-art transit system is set to redefine urban mobility in the region. This isn't just any metro system. It's a symbol of progress and a beacon of innovation. It's the world's largest driverless metro network, a testament to Saudi Arabia's ambitious Vision 2030 plan. This initiative is not just about transportation, it's about transforming the entire urban landscape. This plan aims to propel the kingdom into a new era of progress and innovation. It seeks to diversify the economy and improve the quality of life for all its citizens. The Riyadh Metro is a key part of achieving this vision. It promises to ease traffic congestion and provide a reliable, efficient mode of transport. The Riyadh Metro isn't just about sleek trains gliding through the city, it's about creating a seamless, connected urban experience. It represents a commitment to sustainable urban development and improved quality of life for Riyadh's residents. The metro system is designed with the future in mind. This is a metro system designed for the future, where technology and sustainability go hand in hand. It's a bold step towards a smarter, greener Riyadh. Lines across the desert, navigating the Riyadh Metro. Imagine a network of lines 176 kilometers long, crisscrossing the city. This is the Riyadh Metro, a sprawling system designed to connect all corners of the capital. With 6 lines and 85 stations, the metro offers unparalleled convenience for commuters. It's a far cry from the days of navigating Riyadh's congested roads. The first phase of the metro, launched in November 2024, saw 3 lines opening to the public. These lines, the blue, yellow and purple lines, immediately began serving a large number of commuters. The remaining 3 lines are expected to be operational soon, further expanding the reach of this impressive transportation network. A triumph of design and technology. Stepping into a Riyadh metro station is an experience in itself. Take for instance the King Abdullah Financial District Metro Station. Designed by the renowned Zaha Hadid architects, this station is an architectural marvel. Its futuristic design, with its flowing lines and innovative use of space, is a sight to behold. But the Riyadh Metro isn't just about aesthetics. It's also a showcase of cutting-edge technology. The trains themselves are driverless, utilizing sophisticated automation systems for safe and efficient operation. Adding to the safety net is Yeltec's rail temperature monitoring technology. This innovative system monitors rail temperatures in real time, helping to prevent potential issues and ensure passenger safety. Section 4. Sustainability at the forefront. In a region known for its desert climate, sustainability is paramount. The harsh environment makes it essential to adopt innovative solutions to ensure long-term viability. The Riyadh Metro has been designed with this in mind, incorporating advanced technologies and sustainable practices. Solar panels, strategically placed throughout the network, harness the power of the sun, a plentiful resource in this region. These panels generate a significant portion of the energy required to power the metro system, reducing its reliance on traditional energy sources and lowering carbon emissions. The trains themselves are designed for energy efficiency, utilizing cutting-edge materials and engineering. Regenerative braking systems capture energy generated during braking and feed it back into the system, enhancing overall efficiency. This reduces energy consumption and makes the Riyadh Metro even more environmentally friendly, contributing to a greener future. The KFD Metro Station, with its LEED Gold certification, stands as a testament to the project's commitment to sustainable design and construction, setting a benchmark for future developments. Section 5. Transforming Riyadh, transforming the future. The Riyadh Metro is much more than a transportation system. It represents a new era of urban mobility for the city. It's a symbol of progress, a testament to Saudi Arabia's commitment to building a better future. The metro is a beacon of modernity and innovation. The $22.5 billion investment in this project underscores its importance in the kingdom's Vision 2030 plan. This ambitious initiative aims to diversify the economy and improve the quality of life. The metro is poised to transform Riyadh in numerous ways, from easing daily commutes to boosting local businesses. It will alleviate traffic congestion, providing a faster and more efficient way to travel across the city. This will save time and reduce stress for commuters. This, in turn, will reduce carbon emissions, contributing to a cleaner and healthier environment for residents. The metro promotes sustainable living. The Riyadh Metro isn't just about getting from point A to point B, it's about creating a connected and vibrant urban community. It's about connecting people, fostering economic growth and enhancing the overall quality of life in the Saudi capital. The metro is a cornerstone of Riyadh's future. Want to stay updated on the latest in travel and technology? Subscribe to Hey You Know